Hey guys, Keith at Crypto Bullseye, and I'm bringing you an update video as requested on Kaspa. So you could see 3 days ago in the Kaspa video, we were creating something, a bullish divergence. And I said we wanted to wait to see how this was going to play out. I expected a big bullish candle. We got that. I expected a reaction at the 618 retracement. We got that. There's two ways that this is going to play out, and this is what I'm looking for. So one thing that we can notice from this, Kaspa is playing ball. It's doing exactly what we expected it to do, and it's currently trading at just under 12 cents, 0.118100. So there's two areas that I'm looking for. These two key areas I'm going to mark out now. The first one's going to be the 618 retracement from this previous swing high. That's going to be the important one, and that's going to be the level that's going to be expected to act as resistance going forward. So that's a key area. If we break and we close above this 618, 0.128713. So I'm going to mark this zone out now. That's going to be the important one. Break and a close above this is going to tell us one thing. It's going to tell us that we've broken the previous swing low, we've tested the previous swing low, and then we're trying for that higher high. The bulls are trying for the higher high. So the level that we were looking for previously was the 1-to-1 equal measured move. The 1-to-1 equal measured move from this swing here to the swing low, back to the swing high, and a 1-to-1 equal measured moves down here, sat down here at 0.096989, so just under 10 cents. So this is the second area I'm going to mark out. That's going to be my support zone. If price comes back and tests this zone, I'm interested in this zone. This is going to act as a strong support. It's the 1-to-1 equal measure move, and it's also the support that's acted as support all the way back since 10th of November 2023, so a year ago. So that's going to be my strong support zone. I wasn't interested up here, guys, and I'd said when we were in this ascending channel on Kaspa, I'm not interested. And what's happened on the back of that? Said the ascending channel was a bearish move. We've come back, and to the low, that's 51.24%. So anyone that put all their eggs in one basket on Kaspa up here, 51.2% to the downside is their loss. Okay, so it's always important that you get those entries. None of this is financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. This is what I'm looking at. And most of the time, guys, most of the time, it's going to be patience. You're not going to be doing anything. You're going to be observing and looking for key levels. So that's what I'm looking for here. This is going to give me a signal, a break and a close above here. It's going to give me a signal that the bulls have regained momentum. And if we hold this level here, you can expect to put in a new high. That's an important thing, guys. So that's going to tell us a story. And this is going to tell us a different story. If we reject from this 618 level, let's get this off. If we reject from this 618 level, we're likely to come back down and test our equal measured move. So the difference from where price is, 25% to the downside. So it's important. You need conviction. That's what we're looking for, is conviction. If we come back down and test this as support, it's 25% cheaper than what it would be here. On the flip side, if you break through and this acts as support, what does that mean, guys? It means you haven't got that 25% cheaper entry, 25% more expensive. However, you've put in a higher high. You're holding a previous resistance as support. So you've got conviction that the bulls are on your side. Most importantly, guys, protection, protection, protection. If you get a break and a close above this level, this is your new support zone. This is your new protection area. So rather than dropping your 25%, you'd be dropping 3%. So preservation of capital is the key. And that's the important thing, guys. It doesn't matter if it's this level or it doesn't matter if it's this level. That's a support and that's a support. You can protect yourself. You can protect yourself. So monitoring, observing on Kaspa, what kind of entry can I get? I'm waiting for these, either this to play out or either this to play out. Then I'm interested in Kaspa. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you want me to cover next. Get in our free Discord group. Leave a link in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.